Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Hope everybody had a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. So today we're going to go over a piece of hardware that's going to go in the car that a lot of people really have mixed feelings about. So I'm going to take you back to the workbench and we're going to go over a few things and then jump in and install it in the car. Alright, so what we have in front of us is a JMS Pedalmax. It is a throttle controller that's supposed to make the your throttle inputs more sensitive by opening up the throttle body faster as you push the pedal in. It's supposed to basically push voltage to the pedal and allows that to work like it does. So this kit also comes with a 4-pin connector, which is red here, that you're going to insert into this adapter here. So what that will actually do is cut the throttle response back down to 60% instead of 100, since I do not have the turn dial. Alright, so for the first step, what we're going to need to do is unplug the negative side of your battery. And what that does is allows the new unit to relearn the open position of the throttle body. So we're just going to go ahead and remove these clamp clips. Now we're going to disconnect the negative of the battery. It is a 10mm socket, for those of you that are wondering. Set it aside.
Alright, so apologize for the low light, but what you're going to do is find your accelerator pedal, and then there's a top plug right here that goes into the top of that pedal. You're going to disconnect it, and this Pedalmax is going to go in between.
Alright, so you have two connectors here. This guy here with the red tab on it is going to go in place where you just unplug the factory one, and then that's going to plug into what you disconnected, and then you're essentially going to zip tie this thing up and out of the way so that nothing is hanging loose, nothing for your feet to catch on, and then we're going to test the lights and make sure it works. So I decided to use that optional power cord. So what I did was I cut a little slit here, and then I basically screwed that down in place there on the positive side. There already is a little cutout here. It's like an indentation here. You could run something through this box. And I undid this cowl here, all the little push pins. Be careful when you do it. And then I rounded all of this down underneath. That way it's nicely tucked and you can't see anything, and you cannot see it through there, so just take your time, and it actually runs right down there. So I have it coming through here and then under the weather stripping here, and there's actually a little indentation here you can see, and that way it just gives you a little bit that you can push that right there so it doesn't crimp this. Run it through there. All this thing just pops right off, and then we're going to go underneath and then tie it into the plug over there, and that way it's done properly and it looks clean. Alright, so it's installed, so let's jump in the car, turn it on, go for a ride, and I'll give you a review. Alright, we're off. Yeah, there's the difference. Wow. Okay, so the Pedalmax is something that a lot of people they don't know if they want to do it or not, or a lot of people they skip it and tune, but definitely going to tune the car and give some more power later on down the road. But like for the holiday sales and stuff like that, and I figured I'd pick it up for a good price. But yeah, there's definitely it's a drive-by-wire, so there's definitely a little bit of pedal lag whenever you're accelerating, stuff like that. So I definitely say that this is worth it. So now what I'm going to do is just drive around for a minute and then, you know, put it sort of paces. That is awesome. Awesome. So I'm in Sport Plus. Buy one. If you do not own a Pedalmax in your 2015 up Mustang, or really any Mustang, go do it. Every single day that you don't have one, I'm telling you, you're doing yourself a disservice. This feels like an entirely different car. I just tuned the car and gave it about, you know, 20 or 30 extra horsepower. That's, I know a lot of guys are going to watch this and be like, ah, whatever, you know, but I'm telling you, it's different. This is awesome. Love it. Big thumbs up there. So, thanks for watching this video. Definitely stay tuned as always. We got some more stuff coming as always. Give the video you know, a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Definitely want to know, you know, what you guys think about the video. You know, maybe even some pointers and stuff like that. The channel's growing a little bit, which is always a good thing. I just picked up another camera so we can do some multiple shots and do different things and stuff like that. But yeah, big things are coming.